able to record? Yes. Okay, got it. It's now working. Okay, last time what we were doing here, everyone take out your maths notebook again. 6th question I've given you. Which of the following are twin prime? It's working. That's very nice. It's working now. Which of the following are twin primes? 13 and 17, 15 and 17. Write another one. Let it be 13, 15, 9, and 5, 9, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17. Write down this one. Write it. Which of the following are twin primes? You know twin primes? What are twin primes?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
Which are two prime numbers?
No, no, this is wrong.
Those numbers
Twin primes are those of two.
that two prime numbers that difference is 1.
That difference is 2, not 1. Whose difference is 2?
Ma'am, what we have to do in this exercise?
You have to see which of the following are twin prime. You have to write yes, they are twin prime. No, they are not twin prime.
Ma'am, if we have done, ma'am, we send in the WhatsApp group. Okay, ma'am.
No need to send. No need to send. Trisha, beta, no need to send. No need to send on WhatsApp. What is this going on? Noel, please switch off your mic. Okay, all of you have done this? 13 is what? 4. 4. Is it prime number? Is it both of them are prime? So they are prime, twin prime, yes or no?
No, ma'am.
Right, no. This is simple. Why are you are taking so much time? Okay, see 15 and 17. Now 17 minus 15. Do it. What is 17 minus 15? 2.
Ma'am, 2.
Now tell me, they are prime twin primes, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
Yes.
No, they are not twin primes.
Ma'am, because they both are prime numbers and their difference is
No, Shaurya, no, Apurva or Shaurya who is speaking. Apurva, no, beta. See them carefully. 15 and 17. See them carefully. See them carefully. Everyone switch on your videos.
15 is not prime.
Very good. 15 is not a prime number. Yes. 15 is not a prime number. So that's why 15 is not a prime number. That's why they are also not twin primes. Because 15 is not a prime number. 17 is a prime number, but 15 is not a prime number. Now 5 and 7. 7 minus 5 is again what? 2. So are they prime? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
No? Why no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, they are prime. Because the difference is 2. And both of them are prime. 15 is not a prime number. 3 5s are 15. 15 is not a prime number. 11 and 13. 13 minus 11, if you do, what is the answer? What is the difference? 13 minus 11. 2. Again, yes, they are twin primes. Yes, they are twin primes. Just note it down quickly. Quickly note it down.
I'm done.
Okay. And all of you, shall I start the next chapter now? Okay, we are going to start the next chapter. So I'm going to rub this and start the next chapter. What is this, Arjun? Please switch off your mic. Navira,
Yes, ma'am.
stop talking. Okay. Now see the next question. Next chapter we are going to start. Hello, everyone. Are you listening?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Okay, come to page number, before starting the next chapter, come to page number 72. Page 72 in your books. Page 72 in your maths book. Fun page. Fun page. Take it out, everyone. I want to see everyone's doing this. Let me see all those who are doing this. Yes, good, Shreyansh. Quickly. Athan, Mahendra, you are beta two. Are you attending from two different phones?
No, ma'am.
Take your attendance. Just wait for a minute. 19 plus 2, 21, 21 and 26. The sum is coming here, 26. So 26 is divisible by 3 or not? Or you can do one more thing. 2 plus 6, 8. 8 does not come in the table of 3, so therefore it is also not divisible. Next question is 5007.
Yes, ma'am.
5007. 7 plus 5 is total 12. The sum is
12.
12. So yes, it is divisible by 3. Yes.
Ma'am.
Now 3, 7, 4.
Ma'am.
हाँ बेटा. Yes, ask.
Ma'am, we have to do this in our notebook or our in
What
book.
is written there? Beta Harsh, what is written here? Harsh नहीं कौन पूछ रहा था ये?
Ma'am,
Who was
book.
asking? See, it is what is written here? Book. That means
Ma'am,
book.
book.
हाँ. 3, 7, 10, 10, 4, 14. 14 is divisible by 3? No, put a cross over here. Okay. Now question number 2, take the numbers which are divisible by 9. Okay. So first question is 3813. Tell me, what is the sum over here? 3813. Quickly tell me the sum.
15.
15. 3, let me see. 9, 9, 3, 12, 12, 3, 15. 15 is divisible by 9 or not? Yes or no?
No,
15 is divisible by 9.
No, ma'am.
Next question is 23704.
16.
2, 3, 5, 7, 5, 12, 12, 4, 16 is divisible by 3. Yes or no? No, sorry, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Sorry.
No, ma'am. No,
16 is not divisible by 9, so put a cross over here.
No, ma'am.
Now, 360738. Add them and find out what is the
ma'am.
sum coming.
27.
What is the sum coming?
27.
27. Okay, let me check. 3, 7, 3, 10. 10, 9, 19. 19 and 8. 19 and 8 is 27. Yes, very good.
Yes.
27. Is it divisible by 9? 27 is divisible by 9.
Yes,
Yes or
ma'am.
no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it
Yes,
is
ma'am.
divisible by 9. It is correct. Okay, the last one is 8521.
16.
What is the sum coming?
16.
16 again. 8, 5, 13. Yes, 16. 16 is divisible by 9. Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
It is not divisible. Put a cross in front of it. Okay, question number 3 is pick the ones divisible by 5. It is very simple. First one is 4860. 4860. Is it divisible by 5? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
Is it divisible by 5?
No, ma'am.
No. No? Why no, beta? Why no? Why no? Pratyush, switch off your mic and Arjun also. Why no?
Yes.
Let us see the last digit.
Yes,
Last
ma'am.
digit is 0. Yes, it is divisible by 5. Next is 70210. Is it divisible by 5? 70210.
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Why no, beta? Yes, it is divisible. See the last digit. It should be 5 or 0. Next is 80012. Is it divisible by 5?
No, ma'am.
No, it is not divisible by 5. 964. Is it divisible by 5? See the
No,
last digit.
ma'am.
Is it divisible by 5?
No, ma'am.
No, it is not divisible by 5. Okay. Have you all done this? Shall I rub this?
Yes,
Shall
ma'am.
I rub this? Okay, I'm going to rub it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, the question next is, write question 4. Okay, write first 5 odd multiples. It is given first 5 odd multiples. See this very carefully, odd multiples. That means you have to write only odd multiples. Odd multiples mean, see, look here. For example, it is 6. Okay, the first multiple of 6 will be 6. We don't take out the second one because second multiple, this number is even. We do not have to take out the even one. Okay, that means we have to take out the leaving 1. 6, first odd multiple is 6. 6 2s are 12, we will not write 12. Pratyush and Arjun never switch off their mics and keep on talking. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, we will not write. 6 3s are 18, we will write. This is the second multiple. Sorry, this is the first multiple. This is the third multiple. What?
Ma'am, your screen is not showing clear, but your voice is coming clear.
Is my screen clear, everyone? Is my screen clear?
Yes, ma'am.
I think some
Yes,
network
ma'am.
issue from your side. You can join again. Now we will not take out the fourth multiple. Now we will take out the fifth multiple. What is the fifth multiple? 6 5s are?
30.
Very good. Now we will not take out the sixth multiple. We will take out the seventh multiple. What is the seventh multiple? 7 6 are?
42.
Very good.
42.
Very good. Next, 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4. Now we have to take out the ninth multiple, not the eighth one. Ninth multiple, because it is given odd multiples here. We have to find the 5 odd multiples. Okay, so 6 9s are 40.
54.
54. I'm so sorry, 54. Similarly, do for 11, 21. Do it yourself. I will see the answer. Do it yourself and show me the answer on WhatsApp. Abhi nahi send karna. Send me the whole page at the end. Do not send it now. You are taking why to take such a long time? See, 21 ones are 21. Okay, Apurva, I've seen your answer. 21 threes. If you don't know 21 threes are, just multiply it. 3 ones are, 3 twos are. 63. 21 fives are now you have to take out. 21 fives are. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. 1, 0, 5. Now comma. But 21 sevens are. 21 sevens are. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. 147 is here. Then 21 nines are. I have written it with a blue pen. That's because of it. Which number you have to multiply? 9. So 9 by 2 is 18. So 1, 18.
Ma'am, we have to do brain booster also.
What do you have to do? No,
Ma'am,
brain
we
booster.
have to
No,
do-
no, no. No, 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 no. We have already done that questions. We have already done that. Okay, 15 के लिए 15 ones are 15,
Send the
15 threes are 45, 15 fours 7 75, 105, and 15 nines are 1, 8, 41 5 nines are you have to take out. 41 nines are 9 ones are 9, 9 fours are 36. Check everyone, check your answers quickly. These are your answers. Be quick. Why all of you are taking so much time? Okay, Shaurya also gave me the answer 123, 205, 287. It's 287 coming. Shaurya beta once. Okay. I have done 1, 2, 3. 1 is left in between. Okay, I'm so sorry here. It's 205. 287, and here it is 369. Do it quickly. Good, Athar. Karthik, good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Rajneesh, Arjun Bhardwaj, good. Good, Virat. Okay, now I'm going to start the next chapter. Okay, check it quickly. Check all the numbers. 6, 18, this we have done already. 11, 33, this also we have done now. 21, 63, 105, 147, 189. 15, 45, 75, 105, 135. 41, 123, 205, 287, 369. Check it quickly and I'm going to start a new chapter now. That is chapter 6, fractions. I'm going to start chapter 6, fractions. Everyone just sit straight and look here. Sit straight and look here on the board. Whatever I'm teaching you, have just to listen to that. Okay. Beta C. Now in fractions, to experience in real life. See, if you have seen a pizza, I'm going to rub this. Everyone has done it. Look on the board. Switch on your videos. Look on the board. Look on the board quickly. See, have you ever seen a pizza or a cake? A pizza or a cake
Yes,
like this? So what we used to do, we divide pizza into 2 equal parts. Okay? We divided this pizza into 2 equal parts. Okay? So this part is known as what? Half part. This is known as the half part and this is known as the half part of this pizza. Right? Right? If I asked you how much pizza you ate, so out of 2 parts, you ate 1 part. Suppose if this part you ate, this is the part you ate. You eat this part. So how much part you eat? Out of the 2 parts, you eat 1 part. Out of the 2 parts, you eat 1 part. And how much you left out of the 2 parts? Half of them.
One.
So what is this half? Half is 1 upon 2. Half is 1 upon 2. Okay. Now, let us divide this pizza not in the half parts. For example, this pizza was there. And what you did, you divided into 2 equal parts like this. You cut it in the middle. And then again, you cut this into 2 parts like this. You cut the pizza like this, then you cut the pizza like this. And if you ate only this part, you eat only this part. Okay. So how much is this part? Out of 4 parts, how much parts you have? How much parts you ate? Out of 4 parts, how much part you ate?
Ma'am, 3.
3 parts you ate. You ate only this part, Krisha. Out of 4 parts, you eat this.
One.
Okay. Leave it aside. Why I'm writing this 4 upon 1? Why I'm writing 4 down and 1 up? Now listen to me. You got 1 test. There is 1 test of yours. Okay. That is of 10 marks, suppose. That is of 10 marks. And you get 8 marks. How will you write it? I'm going to share the screen. Just type it there. Write it there. How will you write it? I'm going to give you whiteboard to write. Just write it on the whiteboard. Write it. How will you write? Write, everyone. There is 1 pen coming. Take that pen and how will you write? If out of in your 8 you got a 10 marks test was there and you got 8 marks, how will you write it? Right? Ha, Krisha? Yes, good.
Ma'am, mine is correct.
Yes. Very good, Krisha. Navira, good. Advika, good. Very well done. Riddhi, good.
Ma'am, we can't able to do.
Beta, there is 1 pen coming. Pen coming. Beta, write only once, okay?
Ma'am, can I raise?
Riddhi, correct. Once you write, do not write it again. I can see who all are writing. Do not write it again. Good, Riddhi.
Ma'am, we cannot able to write.
Riddhi, now stop doing it. Riddhi, you have already told me the answer. Karthik, correct.
Ma'am, I am not
Arjun,
able
correct.
to write.
Ma'am,
Beta, there is 1 pen coming. Pen may choose any color. Then you will be able to write. Do not choose a white color.
Tashi.
Rishabh, you have already written. Now stop it. Very good. Very good, Shreyansh. Karthik, now stop writing. You have already written. Karthik, now don't write. I know all those who are writing.
There is pen coming. How to change color?
Okay, now I'm going to remove it. Okay. All of you have done it correct. Yes. So, how do you write? Most of you are replying me like this, 8 upon 10. 8 upon 10. Okay. That means out of 10 marks, you got 8 marks. Out of 10 marks, you got 8 marks. Can you write like this, 10 upon 8? Is this correct? Is this correct?
No, ma'am.
No, it is
Ma'am,
not
it is
correct.
wrong.
Next time, we will study, this meeting is going to be over. So next time, we are going to study about this only. That why we cannot write this and why we are able to write this. Find out the answer for the next turn. Yes, Atharv, it is correct, beta. Okay, so the meeting is going to be over.